Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I thought I would take you guys along with me thrift shopping. And of course, I have to do a haul. I found some really cool pieces and I absolutely wanted to share them with you. So we're gonna jump right into the whole shopping part first, move our way into the haul. So let's jump right into it. Enjoy. So now for the whole haul part, I start with my home decor first, move my way into the accessories, clothing. So I'm going to start off with my first piece. I end up finding this super cool, I'm going to call it a tray because it has this swoop here. It does look like a cutting board. I thought it was so fun, so unique. It had this antique look and I just love the color of the finish of the wood. It has a darker tone to it than most chestnut woods or even light wood, bamboo kind of color, and something that I can put either in the kitchen, put some fruits on it, or lean it up against a wall. So I end up paying it $6.99. Love it. That's my first piece. Super happy. Moving on to my second piece, I end up finding this unique one-of-a-kind piece. It's definitely one of a kind. Some of you are probably gonna not like it. You guys are probably gonna be like, why did she even think of getting this? But there was just something so beautiful about it and something that I've never seen before. They have little masks here and all the carving. The only thing I'm not crazy about is the 2-color tone here. I think I'm gonna stain the whole thing one color, so I'm gonna stain it. What I was thinking, you can either lean it up against a frame or hang it on the wall. There's just so many ways to decorate with this. You can put it flat on a dresser, and I thought it was different. It's nothing that I've seen before. I love my ethnic pieces, so I had to get it. I ended up paying $9.99 for it, which is a little bit on the pricier side for me at a thrift store, but I do think that I will not be able to find a piece like this, so it's definitely well worth it. So that was my second piece. Moving on to my third piece, I know it's small, but the small little pieces do matter. I've mentioned to you this in my previous videos that I think that small pieces are just as important as big pieces. You do need a balance when it comes to decorating. So I found this super cute little wood bowl, if you want to call it that, and I ended up paying it $1.99. I thought it was so cute, maybe with some lavender in it, or maybe a sage stick, or little crystals. I thought it was such a cute little bowl. There was different shapes, but I don't know, I was drawn to the more oval shape one. It's such a cute little piece to put on a dresser, put on a nightstand. If you want just to put some little knickknacks in there too, I'm thinking more decoration, but you can totally have your little earrings, your jewelry next to your bedside. It's just such a great little accent. So now moving on to bigger pieces. I end up not getting this at the thrift store, but I end up finding it on Facebook Marketplace. I end up getting this super cute stool, and I loved it. Had engraving on the top. The color I thought was beautiful, dark wood. It still has the tags on it. I ended up paying it $40. I thought next to my bath to put some towels on it. I think it's the perfect little accent piece for a corner somewhere. The only thing that I was very disappointed, to be honest, and it was a little bit not cool of the person who was selling it. Normally when there's either a scratch or it's broken, or I don't know, there's a tear in something, I normally write it to let the people know that it's not in perfect condition. And when I got home, I later then realized that one of the legs here was completely broken, and he glued it and then put a Sharpie, so you see all of the Sharpie coming through here. He didn't tell me, so it sort of put a little bit of a bad taste in my mouth. I mean, it's beautiful, but I would have appreciated him being a little bit honest and letting me know, and then I would have made that choice whether or not I still wanted to buy it. And I feel that, you know, being a little bit sneaky and not mentioning it, it was not cool for me. Maybe I could have bargained a little bit more on the price. But anyway, I still love it. I still think it's a really cool piece. I'm super happy, minus the little broken leg. I won't be sitting on it anytime soon, that's for sure. So that's for the other piece. Moving on to my next piece, this is way too big for me to hold. I was so shocked that someone got rid of this. I was walking near the furniture section and I immediately saw it. It was this ottoman with very Navajo vibes, and I just loved it. It was $10. I immediately was drawn to it. I know the colors were a little bit off of what I normally go towards. The base was beige. I wasn't too crazy about the mustard yellow and the red, so I told myself I would maybe use some fabric paint and then paint those little colors over and make it maybe a brown and a black, and I thought it would blend better with the home. But anyway, I am super happy. I'm probably going to be putting it downstairs in the basement. When family comes over, it's extra seating. The quality was great. It's very heavy, it's compact, it feels really like an expensive ottoman. If I end up having time to paint it, I'll definitely show you guys. But anyway, I'm super happy about that find. That was such a good find. Anyway, now we're going to move on to the clothing part. I didn't end up finding that much, but one thing I found, I was blown away. It is these cowboy boots. I mean, look at the square toe. I love the 2-color tone, white on the top, black. They are in mint condition. The person never wore, well, maybe wore them a few times. I love these, and they're a great brand. I think they're Bullet. Yeah, they're the brand Bullet, and I know that Bullet can be quite pricey when it comes to cowboy boots. I love these with a cute dress, even with some jeans that you put in, or some pants that you tuck inside the cowboy boot. I think that these are such a great find. I definitely scored with these ones. I ended up paying them $12.99. I was actually trying on a coat near the mirror, and there was a girl that was trying on clothes next to me, and she says, "Oh my gosh, you found the perfect cowboy boots." I literally found the perfect cowboy boots. I don't have a pair like these, especially with the square toe in the front. Normally all my cowboy boots are pointed toe. I just can't have too many cowboy boots. So these were definitely coming home with me. Moving on to my last piece, I ended up finding this beautiful vest, and it was stunning. The texture, the color of it, the back, it has this little strip here. It has slits on the side. I thought it was perfect for the holidays. You can totally dress it up, mismatch with different patterns, or even wear a t-shirt and jeans and then you throw this on and it automatically dresses an outfit. I ended up paying it, I think it was $15. Such a good price. I love the color. It has a golden shimmer to it. I love this type of fabric. I think it has a luxury feel to it. So yeah, this is pretty much everything I end up getting. Let me know which piece is your favorite. You know, I love to hear that. And also, I just wanted to give you guys a little, I say sneak peek, but just a little something that I wanted to put out there. I have been working on a project for quite a while, and I am so excited to share it with you. So I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet, but I've been working on something that I'm going to be launching soon. I'm working really hard, and I think that you're going to like it, hopefully. So I just wanted to put it out there, let you know that I've been working on a project and I'm going to be doing the launch soon. So it's probably going to be either end of November, beginning December that I'm going to launch it. If you have any ideas, write it down below. Guess. I would love to hear what you think I'm working on. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have an amazing day. Love you always. Mwah. Bye.